passing with fun.
Hey loves, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be doing something different and new. I'm going to be trying a wig I got from a hair vendor on IG. I'll put up a handle on the screen so you can check it out. So guys, this is the first time I am trying a wig on my channel and I am super excited. This is what the wig looks like. It's a Closure Factory hair blend wig and I really love the texture of the hair, the coils and how it is. Though I'm not a wig person, if that makes sense, but one thing I know is that I love how it looks on people. So I'm just starting to explore wigs. So do let me know what you think, guys. For this wig, I'll be using a spray bottle containing a mixed content of water and conditioner, a curly hair conditioner, and a wax stick. So guys, this is what the inside of the wig looks like, and as well as the closure. So I'm going ahead to put on the wig. Let's get to work, if that makes sense. Guys, I was really skeptical on if this wig would look good on me. So give me your honest review on if I should try more wigs. So guys, the wig came with an elastic hook to keep the wig secured on my head. But I think I will go ahead to sew in an elastic band so it's more secured, if that makes sense. So this is what the wig is looking without doing anything yet. So this is what it's literally looking. So I'm going ahead to trim off the closure and then let's see how it comes out. So guys, I had to take it off to trim the closure and this is what it's looking like. So I also went ahead to use my foundation to blend the closure so it matches with my skin too. It looks natural, if that makes sense. So what you want to do is blend your foundation in and this is what it's looking like. So I'm going ahead to put the wig back on and then let's get into the business of the day, if that makes sense. I was super excited at this point because I really wanted to see if I can literally get a wet look on this wig, because I'm not really a big fan of a very full hair, if that makes sense. So I wanted to literally get a wet look, but this is what the wig is looking like. How full it is, you can see how full it is. And guys, another thing I noticed for this wig is the fact that the closure wasn't straight, maybe because it's factory made, if that makes sense. So I'm going in with the curly conditioner. Guys, can you see that bounce as I'm applying the conditioner to the hair? I am loving the coils. It's more of as I'm applying the conditioner, the coils is actually coming out, if that makes sense. And I am loving how it's look, guys. So guys, I'm brushing it out with a brush. As you can see, the more I'm brushing it, the more the coils are showing, if that makes sense. And this is what it looks like. I also went ahead to trim the wig off camera because I wanted a bang, if that makes sense. I also went ahead to apply water because guys, I needed that wet look. So this is me applying the wax stick at the center part where the closure is to keep that part sleek, if that makes sense. And I really loved how the wax stick worked. I don't have an hot comb yet, but I loved how the wax stick actually kept that part very sleek, and I really loved how it turned out, guys. So I am going ahead to like use a small brush and my foundation to define the center part of the closure of the hair, if that makes sense. And this is what it looks like, guys. So guys, this is the final result, and I am loving how this wig turned out. Guys, this wig is gorgeous. This hair is gorgeous, and I am loving every bit of it. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and if this is the first time watching my video, please subscribe down below and hit the notification bell to get notified on every of my video. Alright guys, this is all. See you in my next one. Bye.